We all know the word processor is a application software and it is used to create a document. Now the last session 11, aligning the text. In this session we'll discuss about aligning the text. Okay, and these options will perform in the Microsoft Office, that is a word processor software. Okay, already we have seen the some different capability of a word processor, right? And the common use of the example of word document is a letter. We can use a word processor to type a letter in a proper form. Okay, so we all know MS Word or word processor is an official package and it is used to create a letters, application, documents in a proper form and a different styles. Okay, so we have a aligning the text option also. Using the aligning the text and option, we can make our documents more attractive. Okay, so now we can see we have a 4 types of alignment. Using the 4 types of alignment, we can make our document more attractive. Okay, now let's see the practical how we can apply alignment in the document. Now we are in a word processor package and now we have a one document and this is our cursor. Okay, so what we'll do, by default we are in the home tab. So in the home tab, and now we can see in the paragraph group we have alignment option, right? So by default display left alignment, and in this condition we can see a cursor is displaying in the left side of our document. That means we can start the text from the left side. For example, suppose that I am typing here, hello friends. That means we are starting the text from the left side. So this process is called left alignment. Now we have a second alignment is, that is a center alignment, and this option is also present in the paragraph group. Now we can click on the center alignment, and in this option we can see the cursor is displaying and blinking in the center of the document. That means we can start the typing from the between of the document, like this is my second paragraph. Okay, and this is a example of center alignment. Now the next we have right alignment, and when we click on the right alignment option, now the cursor is blinking at the right side of the document and we can start the typing. So we can see this is now we can see we are typing from the right side. That means this is the use of the right alignment. Now, and the last is justify, and we click on the justify option. Now again the cursor jump from the right to left in the starting position, and in this alignment if we type anything, okay, so you can see all the text are displaying in the center of the document. Okay, and showing the equal margin left side and the right side, both side displaying the equal margin. Okay, So this is the use of the right alignment. Clear? Now come to the next topic, that is a session 12, views of a document. Okay, views of a document, that means in this session we'll discuss we have a different views, different types of views, and in which view we can open and display our document, and what is the output format we can see in our views. Okay, like a word processing provide a options to work in a document in different format and layouts. Okay, so we have a some layout or view option. The by default is displaying the print layout view, and the next up full screen layout, the web layout, outline, and draft. So we have 5 views. Okay, and we can see our document in a different layout format. Now see the uses of the layout. Now we are using the print. If we are using the print layout view, so it is default document view setting. Okay, means when we are using any document, when we are typing any letters in the word processing software, then we use print layout view, and that view is a by default. That means in a word processing software, this view is a by default setup. Okay, and you will able to see how the document will look when it get printed, and when we print the document on the paper, then all the information display and as it is when we are typing in the document. Okay, now the next view is a full screen reading, and this view provides the maximum space available for reading the document. Okay, so this view display the maximum size. That means we can say in this view we can see all area of the document. Okay, I'll show you the practical also. Now next is web layout view. It shows how the document will appear in a web browser. Okay, we all know what is the web browser. A web browser application software, and it is used to serve or access the internet, right? And we also know internet use of web page or websites. So the web layout view, it shows our document just like as a web page or a website, right? So in this view we can open our document as a web page or a website. Now the next is a outline view. This view display the document as an outline and shows only the headings present in the document, right? So outline display the document, and this view display also the heading section which we have done in the document. So that heading section display in the outline view. And the last is a draft. So this view is used for quick editing of the document. Okay, so draft view is used to edit anything. If we want to edit any content, so this is used for quick editing of the document. Okay, you would normally not use this view. It is also helpful for proofreading of the document. Okay, sometimes we can use this view as a proofreading also. Now how we'll use the practical in the word processing software, let's see. Okay, already we have discussed about views of a document. Okay, so now we have a view tab. In the tab menu, if we click on the view tab, in the ribbon section, the first is a document views group. Okay, and in the document views group we have all 5 views, and now the print layout view is active. Okay, that means this is our print layout view output. Now the second is, if we click on the full screen reading view, now see, we can see on the screen our all the documents displaying in a full screen view. Okay, we have a 2 pages, so all the content we can see at the same time on the screen. Okay, after that we can close this view, and now again we have in a print layout view, that is a by default setup. Now see the web layout view. If we click on the web layout view, we can see all the document displaying in a web page format and just like as a web browser. Okay, so this is a web layout format and that's web layout view. Now come back on the print layout view. Again you can click on the outline view. Now in the outline view, already we have discussed all the heading section display in the outline view. Okay, so now we can see here all the heading section displaying. Okay, this is a print layout full screen reading section. Okay, so this is our outline view. Again you can close here, and at last that is a draft view. If we click on the draft view, now we can see this is a proofreading section. We can read here everything carefully. Okay, and if we need something, we can do editing here also. Okay, so these are the views available in the word process software, and we can use a different view for different purpose. Okay, and print layout is a by default view, and this is a by default setup in the word processing software. Okay.